What does your family mean to you? Your family means everything to you. You want to offer the best for them. We all want to ensure we provide for them at every stage of their life. To give them the best, we keep aside a portion of our earnings and invest for different financial goals. As a part of savings, you might choose to invest in instruments such as fixed deposits, mutual funds, equity, NPS, or ULIPs. Money can be used for different financial goals. To reach these financial goals, we make regular investments. For example, if you're investing Rs 10,000 per month for a period of 25 years, you will be creating a corpus of approximately 1 crore. While trying to reach your goals, you should be cautious about critical illness and untimely death. In case of critical illness like cancer, high medical costs and temporary loss of income will eat up into your savings. And in case of untimely death, there will be no more income, no more savings, and no more investments. What is then the need of the hour? A plan that ensures fulfillment of your financial goals no matter what. You need a plan that protects both life and health. You need a life cover which is equal to your financial goals. It is time to start making protection plans against any unfortunate eventuality. Buy a protection plan with a life cover of Rs 1 crore and a critical illness cover of 20 lakhs at as less as 2,000 rupees per month. Remember, in case of a critical illness, a lump sum payout of 20 lakhs is made to you for your treatment, which means your savings are intact and you can continue your investment post your treatment. In case of an untimely death, a rupees of 1 crore as lump sum is paid to you and you get back your investment, which means the family can still ensure to fulfill their financial goals. So what are you waiting for? Start protecting your SIP investments today. Insurance Zaruri hai.